What really happens if you walk 10,000 steps every day for a month? The results might surprise you, and it's not just about weight loss. The science behind 10,000 steps, the 10,000 steps idea started in Japan in the 1960s as part of a pedometer marketing campaign but was later supported by multiple health studies. Health experts recommend 7,000 to 10,000 steps for optimal daily activity. 10,000 steps, 8 kilometers, 5 miles for most people, burns roughly 300 to 500 calories, depending on speed and body weight. Walking lowers blood pressure, improves circulation, and supports joint health. Physical results after 1 month: weight loss and body composition. Example: an average person may lose 1 to 2 kilograms in a month if combined with a balanced diet. Improved stamina. Walking daily strengthens leg muscles, core, and cardiovascular system. Better posture. Consistent walking can reduce stiffness from sitting all day. More energy. Increased oxygen flow helps combat fatigue. Include a hypothetical Day 1 versus Day 30 progression description. Mental and emotional benefits. Walking releases endorphins, dopamine, and serotonin, happy hormones. Studies show regular walking can reduce anxiety and symptoms of mild depression. Being outdoors in sunlight boosts vitamin D and improves circadian rhythm. Walking breaks during work improve focus and creativity. How to actually hit 10,000 steps. Break it into chunks. 3,000 steps morning walk, 3,000 steps lunch break, 4,000 steps evening stroll. Take stairs instead of elevators. Park farther from destinations. Walk while taking phone calls or listening to audiobooks. Use a fitness tracker or app to monitor progress. Tips to stay motivated. Find a walking buddy or join a challenge group. Track and celebrate milestones. Weekly step totals. Closing parenthesis. Mix up your walking routes to avoid boredom. Listen to music, podcasts, or guided walking workouts.